Long battery life digital recorders ensure uninterrupted audio capture during meetings, lectures, interviews, travel, and emergencies without frequent recharging interruptions. My today's video is about top 5 best digital recorder that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Evita Digital Recorder. This digital voice recorder delivers impressive performance with crystal clear PCM recording quality and an upgraded noise-canceling microphone that captures conversations with excellent clarity, even in busy environments. The massive 128GB storage is a standout feature, offering enough space for thousands of hours of recordings and music files, while the 54-hour battery life makes it highly reliable for long lectures, meetings, interviews, or travel use. The voice activation function works efficiently by minimizing silent gaps and focusing only on spoken audio, which saves both storage and playback time. Its multifunctional design as a recorder, MP3 player, and USB flash drive adds excellent versatility, while the organized folder system, password protection, bookmark support, and A/B repeat enhance productivity and convenience. Fast file transfer and easy computer compatibility make managing recordings simple, making this recorder a dependable choice for students, professionals, writers, and content creators alike. Now our second product is Evita Digital Recorder. The Evita L359 stands out as a highly advanced digital voice recorder that successfully blends traditional recording functionality with modern AI-powered productivity tools. Its AI transcription support across 113 languages is remarkably useful for students, journalists, business professionals, and researchers, while the automatic summaries, speaker tagging, mind maps, and Ask AI insights make reviewing long meetings or lectures significantly faster and smarter. The 1536 kilobits per second PCM HD recording quality delivers crisp, detailed audio, and the intelligent noise reduction combined with voice-activated recording effectively minimizes unnecessary silence and background distractions. With 128GB of storage capable of holding thousands of recording hours and a dependable 33-hour battery life, the recorder easily handles extended work sessions without interruption. The one-touch recording operation is simple and beginner-friendly, while password encryption adds valuable privacy protection for confidential files. Its stable OTG wired connection ensures secure, fast transfers, making this recorder a practical, efficient, and future-ready productivity device. Our third product is Plod Digital Recorder. The Plod Note Pro is an exceptionally innovative AI voice recorder that transforms traditional note-taking into a smart productivity experience. Its highly accurate transcription in 112 languages, combined with AI-generated summaries, mind maps, to-do lists, and speaker labeling, makes it incredibly valuable for professionals, students, executives, and content creators. The multimodal input system is especially impressive, allowing users to combine audio recordings with typed notes, images, and highlighted moments for richer context and more organized information management. The Ask Plod feature adds another level of convenience by enabling users to interact directly with recordings to extract insights, draft emails, or identify action items instantly. Audio quality is excellent thanks to advanced directional microphones and intelligent noise reduction that capture clear voices even in busy environments. Its ultra-slim premium design, AMOLED display, Apple Find My support, and long-lasting 30 to 50-hour battery life make the device both stylish and highly practical for daily professional use. Now number 4, Comulytic Digital Recorder. The Comulytic Note Pro is an impressively advanced AI voice recorder designed for professionals who value efficiency, portability, and intelligent workflow management. Its standout feature is the lifetime free starter plan offering unlimited transcription and summaries without mandatory subscription costs, making it highly attractive for everyday meetings, lectures, and note-taking. The device itself feels premium, featuring an ultra-slim 3mm aluminum body, Gorilla Glass protection, and a bright display that enhances usability while remaining pocket-friendly. Performance is equally strong, with AI adaptive recording automatically detecting meetings, calls, and conferences, while the triple microphone system captures remarkably clear audio with effective noise reduction. The transcription accuracy is excellent, especially for industry-specific terminology across business, legal, sales, and consulting fields, supporting 113 languages for global usability. Fast Wi-Fi syncing, unlimited cloud backup, long 45-hour recording time, and strong AES encryption with CCPA-compliant privacy protection further elevate this recorder into a highly dependable productivity companion for modern professionals. And our last choice is HiDoc Digital Recorder. The HiDoc P1 is an exceptionally innovative AI meeting recorder that stands out by integrating directly with Bluetooth earbuds, creating a far more natural and discreet recording experience than traditional voice recorders. Its exclusive BlueCatch technology performs impressively by capturing clear call audio directly through connected earbuds, making it ideal for Zoom meetings, online classes, interviews, and business conversations. The 3 intelligent recording modes, call, room, and whisper, add excellent flexibility, allowing the device to adapt seamlessly to different environments while maintaining strong audio clarity through its high-performance microphones. The inclusion of 64GB storage, magnetic mounting options, and intuitive touch-sensitive controls further improves everyday convenience and portability. Its AI-powered transcription system is another major highlight, supporting 75 languages while generating detailed summaries, action items, and meeting notes using advanced AI models. Privacy and security are also handled professionally with local-first storage, end-to-end encryption, and secure cloud processing. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.